All right, ladies and gentlemen, on the big screen TV in the infield, here come these dazzling wieners. First, number 1, Ellie, owned by Maverick and Sarah Edberg. Next, the 2014 Wiener War champion and 2015 Warmup winner, this is Esker. Number 3 is Gus, owned by Marya and Timothy Flynn. Number 4 is Joni, owned by Elizabeth Luther and Natalia Olave. Number 5 is Weenie, owned by Ann Gillis and Rich Robinson. Number 6, being pulled with a hot dog leash, is number 6, Henry, owned by Maggie Heilman. Number 7, this beautiful little doggie, is Olive, owned by Vicki Bradley. Number 8 is Peanut, owned by Mark and Kate Montanari. Number 9 is Griffey, owned by Sean Gageby and Noel Kepler Gageby. Thank you. Number 10 is Harley, owned by Tanya Whitcomb. Harley, with the star spank with the red, white, and blue cover. Number 11 is Bandit. Bandit is owned by John Jewell. Number 12 is Cherry Morgan, owned by Marlene Tippo and
Robert Kozlowski.
And finally, this one is completely deaf. So therefore, no amount of trash talking that has transpired can affect this little guy. It is Beethoven. Everybody pull for Beethoven, come on. Beethoven is owned by Allison Burnham. We're gonna line these weenies up, and then they're gonna fire. All right, get your side bets in from Ellie all the way down to our beloved Beethoven. This is the 2016 Wiener Dog Warmup. Winning owner gets $50 cash. All right, the owners have the weenies in place. They're gonna head to their spot with their dog's favorite toy, and then we're gonna let these weenies fly. Taking a look at the pre-race Wiener Dog Warm-Up. Number 5, Weenie is ready to fly. Holy cow. Number 2, Esker was the 2014 champion. Esker is always a tough customer. Okay, owners are in place. Betsy, all those owners ready? Ready, go! Here come the weenie dogs, and look at Gus zip out of the gate. Gus just attacked Joni, and the winner is number 6. It is Henry. Henry wins aggressively in the middle. Gus savaged Joni and went chewing on her neck in one of the most amazing wiener dog developments ever. Beethoven ran second last, but he has no idea. Finishing third, number 4, Joni, despite being savaged by Gus. One of the great wiener dog performances in the history of this racetrack. Finishing second, number 9, Griffey. And the winner, and winner of a $50 voucher courtesy of Canterbury Park, is number 6, Henry. Henry Henry. Congratulations. Congratulations, Miss Maggie Heilman. You have one fast wiener. The owners of Joni are incredibly upset right now, not at all happy about being attacked by Gus. If we haven't shown the replay, when you see 3, what 3 did to number 4 should be felonious in 48 states. It was ridiculous. Meanwhile, Beethoven just wants a treat. Number 6, and look at this. Okay, you see the 3 with the blue cover? Look at Gus identify Joni. Are you kidding me? Holy cow. And then somebody stuck up for Joni. All right, thanks everybody. Race number 9, 15 minutes from now. We have many more Wiener dog races Labor Day weekend, and Gus might not be invited back.